Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Cloud Storage for buckets and Start by navigating to the Google Cloud website. Sign in using your Google account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, go to the Google Cloud Console. In the console, locate and click on the Select a Project drop-down at the top of the screen. Choose New Project to create a new project. Enter a name for your project and select a billing account if prompted. Click Create to finalize your new project. After your project is created, ensure it is selected in the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, find and click on Storage. Under Storage, click on Browser to start managing your buckets. To create a new bucket, click on the Create Bucket button. You will need to provide a globally unique name for your bucket. Choose the appropriate location for your bucket based on your needs. Select the storage class that suits your use case. Decide on the access control settings for your bucket. You can choose to manage access with fine-grained or uniform options. Once everything is set, click on the Create button. Your new bucket will now appear in the list. Next, to manage permissions, click on the Permissions tab for your bucket. To add a new member, click on the Add button. Enter the email address of the user you want to grant access to. Choose the role you want to assign to this user. Click on Save to apply the changes. If you need to modify or remove permissions later, return to the Permissions tab. You can adjust roles or delete users as necessary. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and configured Google Cloud Storage for your buckets and permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.